In this video, we'll demonstrate how to stream on Facebook with OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about streaming on Facebook, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Today, we're going to explore the steps to stream on Facebook using OBS Studio. Whether you're new to streaming or looking to enhance your broadcasting skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have OBS Studio installed. You can easily download it from the official OBS project website. Now, assuming you have your OBS Studio ready, let's move on to setting up your stream for Facebook. Open OBS Studio and create your scenes. For simplicity, we'll focus on a main scene where you'll connect your camera and microphone. If you wish, you can design additional scenes for a more dynamic stream. Now, head to your Facebook page and navigate to Live Video. Select the Streaming Software option. Here, you'll find the stream key and server URL. Keep these details confidential, as they are crucial for streaming. Switch back to OBS Studio. In Settings, under the Stream tab, choose Facebook Live from the Service dropdown. Paste your stream key in the designated field. This way, OBS Studio knows where to send your live feed. Adjust your stream settings in OBS. Ensure you're streaming in Full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p and a frame rate of 30 frames per second. Once configured, hit Apply and OK. Before you hit the Go Live button on Facebook, make sure your scene is set up. You might have a welcome scene or a countdown timer for added engagement. Switch to the scene you want to start your stream with, and then hit Go Live. Congratulations! You're now live on Facebook. Engage with your audience, share your content, and have fun. Remember, your likes, comments, and subscriptions inspire us to create more tutorials like this. For additional tips and tools on live production, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming on Facebook with OBS Studio.